Have you ever heard this? Ignoring a woman is one of the oldest tactics out there. You've probably been told before that if you ignore her, she'll get more interested in you. And yes, that's true, bro. Ignoring a woman can work. But here's the key. How you do it makes all the difference. There are right ways and there are completely wrong ways to pull this off. So, why would you ignore a woman? How can ignoring her actually make her want you more? There are two main reasons. Reason 1, it's basic human nature. We tend to want what we can't have. It's like putting a big red button in front of someone and saying, "Don't press it." What happens? They immediately feel the urge to press it. Reason 2, in today's world, women get flooded with attention. At work, in their social circles, and especially online, there are tons of guys ready to give them validation. So for her, attention has become something normal, even boring. Now here's where you stand out. Bro, when you stop chasing and pull back, she'll start thinking, wait, why isn't this guy like all the others? Why isn't he running after me? That's when her curiosity kicks in, and she starts getting drawn to, let's talk about the most common mistakes men make when trying to ignore women. Mistake 1, ignoring her too early. Let's say you just met a girl at a party. You talk for a while, but then her responses slow down, so you think, I'll ignore her, that'll make her chase me. Wrong. Bro, it won't work. There isn't enough attraction yet for her to even care. She'll just turn to another guy who's paying attention. Remember this. Absence can build attraction, but without an initial spark, it's useless. Mistake 2, ignoring her at the wrong time. This is different. Let's say there's chemistry. She shows clear interest, and she even admits she wants to be with you. You might think, this is the perfect time to ignore her. But no, bro, that's the worst time. When a woman opens up and makes herself vulnerable, ignoring her will crush her. She'll feel hurt, and chances are, she'll start resenting you. So never ignore her when she's genuinely showing her feelings. So, how do you ignore a woman the right way? Effective ignoring is not about being cruel or cold. It's about creating a sense of mystery and scarcity. You show that you can be affectionate, but you also have your own life and priorities. Here's how to do it. Start by showing normal interest. Once things are a bit closer, pull back slightly. Keep your replies short and casual. Tell her you're busy if you respond late. If she wants to hang out, reschedule politely. Sometimes disappear for a day or two. Trust me. Bro, this will get in her head. She'll start wondering where you are, what you're doing, and why she can't stop thinking about you. And when she starts chasing, that's when you've got her hooked. But here's the important part. Once you've built a real relationship with her, stop the ignoring game. At that point, what matters is healthy communication and genuine connection, not playing hot and cold anymore. Alright, that's it for today's video on how to ignore a woman the right way. If you found this helpful and want more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching until the end, and stay sharp, bro.